Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to slow down Boomerang on Instagram story. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram and we're going to create the Boomerang first. I'm going to press on this Boomerang button to create the Boomerang. Let's get started. Alright guys, and wait for a moment, it's still processing. Alright, and if we want to make the boomerang slower, we can click on this boomerang option right here. Then choose the boomerang, choose this icon to make the boomerang slower. And hold on guys. Alright guys, as you can see that the boomerang is going slower. And that's how we can slow down Boomerang on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.